Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to guide you what is a unicorn based company and Y Combinator funded startups. Okay, so these two are the major forums where we could find the best companies in the country as well as in the world. Okay, so first let me give you a small info about unicorn. Okay, so unicorn is a pride that is given to a company who makes turnover of more than 1 billion in the annual revenue. Okay, so unicorn is not a company, it is a pride name that is given to a company. So let's say if you want to find out the unicorns of India and unicorns of the worldwide, so let us use AI or chat GPT to fetch. So what are all the companies will comes under unicorn. So let's say I'm going to give the unicorns in India. Sorry, list 100 top unicorns of India. Unicorns of India 2025 for the year 2025, because it varies on the annual revenue pattern. So automatically the ChatGPT will find the resources which is available on the internet and will list out things. Okay, just wait till the ChatGPT fetch the data and gives to us. All right. Okay, the ChatGPT was not given the top 100 unicorns. Okay, let me put list 50 companies, 50 Indian unicorn startups. So definitely the ChatGPT will find the unicorns from the website. Yeah, it is listed. So Zerote, Lenskart, Razorpay, Grow, Zepto, Oyo, and we show a lot of companies are here. Okay. So if I want to know the unicorns in worldwide, then I could use the same LLM to fetch the data and what. So the student who are carrying out the project could consider the problem statement as one of the base from the unicorn. The reason why we are insisting is like usually on the unicorn turnovers are much huge. So when our student take the same kind of project and make a modification and work, then definitely the student will get an experience and his mindset will also think to become one of the unicorn in the future and have huge revenues. Okay, this is one forum. And the second one is Y Combinator. Okay, so let me open the Y Combinator. Yeah, ycombinator.com. Okay, so Y Combinator is a forum which helps the startup for the funding. Okay, so usually Y Combinator will request a proposal from all the startup holders in a different terms in a year. So in the website which I showed here is application apply for the winter 2026 batch. So this is like this. There are a lot of applications will be open where the startup could be applied to the Y Combinator and get a fund. So here in the website you can find the startup directory. Okay, the startup directory, if you click the startup directory, you will have a filter like fall, summer, and what kind of industry, and what are the zones, and what are the company size and everything. Okay, so the second option, like the companies will be listed here. So we could search a company or we could select from the filter and whatever it is. So this is a second website where the student could use the problem statement from this as one of the base. So let me click Airbnb here. Okay, once I click Airbnb, and it will gives you a basic information about a company and also what are the problems they are actually solving and their solutions. Okay, you could find the active founders, you could find the latest news, and these kind of things are there. Okay, so we are recommending these two websites to select the problem statement. In case if our student take as a base of Y Combinator and work and provide a solution with the modification through design thinking, So definitely in the future, our student or startup also will get a fund from the Y Combinator and will start the business and run into the required level. Okay, these two are the quality companies in terms of revenue, also in terms of funding. Okay, so what we have to do is we should not do the same kind of the solution that is offered by a company. So we should consider an ethics and we should modify it with the user needs, and we could do a project and convert into a startup with the mentoring, peer mentoring of industry. So if there are a lot of companies, lot of startups usually working to get a fund of Y Combinator and to get fund and become a successful startup in the Y Combinator forum. Thank you.